kulomnyaka lona Simbombela Open sibuye ukuthi senda i-contribution nomdlalweni wetennis. I-tennis bekuyinto lebengiyicabanga, but ke ngathi thola sengikhona kusukela ngaqala ukudlala kulowo mnyaka lebo 1991, and then ngaba ngumuntu lokhona ku-compete up to national championships esesikolweni. Ngenxa ye-passion enginayo nge-tennis, ngenxa ye-commitment ye-Tennis South Africa, yangibona yanginika i-opportunity yokuba yiphathi ye-mentorship program lebebanayo at the time. I think it was about 5 years ago. We've just learned ukuthi we are going to have ATP Challenger event, which is great. We'll have 4 weeks in the country. So those are also adding kuloku is Tennis South Africa is trying to do.
Yeah, angisesikhathi ngimleleni ukuthi emidlalo naye East coach basathi ukuthi nje la ekhaya eMbombela sinenhlanhla ukuthi igcine nathi sinebhola lemphebetho ilothiwa ngetennis kuneMbombela Open. Enhlanhla leyo nathi namhla sivakashele futhi nguye emsungulwayo Sabelo Dominic waMathebula umceceshi khona la eSouth Africa kuyo iJunior Tennis, kanti futhi aphinze futhi abe nguye emsunguli, kanti wedlala before waze wayana ngesheya. Sikhuluma kabanti ngejeni yakhe kuze kusibe khona iMbombela Open. Sikhuluma futhi nge-tennis generally, locally, nationally ne-internationally. Basathi ukuthi nje sibonile ne-Grand Slam yokuqala ye-Australian Open yengcili, sibonile futhi ukuthi besiphatheleni. Kepha nje itoba khona futhi lo mnyaka lo eMbombela Open emhlaka itobe nema-event lamabili tobe ichaza abantu into beyiqala lapha emhla ka-27 nge-Freedom Day lapha ku-April. Angisasesikhathi ngikubele kwamukele ku-Ace the Coach Show. Sikhuluma kabanti ngebhola lemphebetho nje. Basathi abantu abaningi banokubona i-tennis, bathi Roger Federer, baphinze futhi Serena Williams. Sabona sekune-generation lensha elikhona nyalo Carey, Boyana Kusina. Kepha nje asiqale ngawe Sabelo, ubuka kubanti i-tennis la South Africa, sibuke yona iMbombela Open ukuthi ifike njani nje. Basathi ukuthi simanhlanhla la khona ngicabanga lo mnyaka lo mnyaka we-South ikhona iMbombela Open.
Ngiyabonga ngibonga thuba lomphalo and ngiyabongisa nokuthi ucale i-channel noma i-podcast ukuthi nyalo itokubeka esigabeni sokuthi nawe ube ne-contribution leyo kule space. Ngawe ngiyabongisa uqinisile kulo mnyaka lona Simbombela Open sibuye ukuthi senda i-contribution nomdlalweni wetennis. Ngawe tinento lesitibukile ukuthi sitobetendeka ngawe ngalesithathu evikini eliphelile besilauncha officially. Manje lokho sibeke ethubeni lokuthi sikhona ukusukuma ngamandla ngiyenzaba nje sila nala kuwe sikhuluma nangayo iMbombela Open, as much as sobe sikhuluma futhi nge-tennis globally. Sibuka nokuthi nationally ngabe umdlalo wetennis uhamba ngayiphi.
Siyathi ukuthi i-tennis ideme kakhulu kade ngesheya. Musabuka futhi nelibala lethu labantu bamnyama bambalwa labalandzele i-tennis. Kepha wena ube ne something le unique ukuthi nathi leMpumalanga sibe neMbombela Open nje. Basathi ukuthi nje ibhola letinyawo balandzela kakhulu kwenza lamanye ama-sporting code. Kepha nje labanyenti abathi background yakho ukuthi ukudlala ibhola lemphebetho. Sibuke lapho ukuthi nje wadlala njani ibhola lemphebetho waze waya ngesheya. Ophinze futhi after lapho songiloku uthatha isikhathi ukuthi hayi manje singibuyele etennisini ngide something le unique nje ngeMbombela Open. Phinze futhi ube i-coach, phinze futhi ube mhlatiwe ibhola lemphebetho.
Ukungena kwami etennisini ngangena eminyakeni like over 34 years ago, and lokho ngathi ngabala ukuthi tennis mhlambe yathola mina ngenxa ngalendlela lengangena ngakhona, because ukungena kwami etennisini ngangena ngenxa yokuthi ngithole i-equipment lengakhona ukuthi ngiqale ngayo nami ngakalinzeli ngabe sengiba umuntu lotimiselako. Into lengayenda funa ngisafunza ngayithanza kakhulu. Every day ngiphuma esikolweni ngigijima nge-tennis court. Ngingawari ke noma ngedlana kunelibonza lapha iwall bengishaya le wall langalishisa wonke umuntu ngiyacabanga noma ngalo ukuthi lofana lona
unani mfana
kwenzenjani kanzi yonke into empilweni inesicalo itshaleka ngandlela thide. Ngidlalile amanye ama-sports kufaka phakathi volleyball, i-basketball, ne-soccer ngidlalile, but-ke bengimuntu lobeka talented kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi i-tennis bekuyinto lebengiyicabanga, but-ke ngathi thola sengikhona kusukela ngaqala kudlala kulowo mnyaka kulebo 1991, and then ngaba ngumuntu lokhona ku-compete up to national championships ngisesesikolweni. And so kuba i-journey yami ihamba ngaleyo ndlela leyo. But-ke uma ngichubeka nemidlalo ye-tennis ikakhulukazi uba lenzaba yokuya overseas 1997, ngathola i-chance yokuthi ngiye eWimbledon la ngaya khona ngenxa yokuthi eSharl Marey loba ngicoach wami ngaleso sikhathi beka-introduce ku-professional tennis, buye futhi angi-introduce naku-coaching. Ngake saya khona as part of learning and khona ukubona sikwendekani overseas. Ngaya during i-Wimbledon ngilanga khona kubona khona abadlali abafana nabo Pete Sampras, Boris Becker, Steffi Graf, Andre Agassi, Goran Ivanisevic, Wayne Ferreira. Ngakhona ukuthi ngifike ngibone le South African player le besisicalile si-interact naye around ma-coaching clinics and so on. So ngasonzela emidlalweni we-tennis ngaleyo ndlela ngawuthanza, katholakala ukuthi nesiphiwo, and then ngisithetheke lesiphiwo sami, nami ngabuka indlela ukuthi ngingena njani ukuthi ngikukhulise kuso in terms of being a player, and later on izabe coaching. Lesinye story naso lengithole ngingena ku-coaching ngakhona, kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi konke is part of the journey.
Sabona usejini yakho ibe inhle kakhulu. Ngicabanga ukuqala ngca la Mpumalanga mhlawumbe neSouth Africa kusehambe uyomela abantu labasha, especially umsobuwa bokusikasa isikhathi leso ukuthi umuntu angahamba nge-Asia, especially nge-tennis bebahamba nge-Asia enxa yesoccer ngebhola letinyawo, because abantu abaningi especially thina libala lethu sithandza ibhola letinyawo. Kepha nje musiyabuya after sodlalile i-tennis wakhona utholela lithuba usuye nge-Asia, and then sabona nyalo sobuyile futhi ubuye ngemandla after isikhathi eside kwe-tennis ungekho. Labaningi abantu ukuthi usemculweni ubhala ingoma, uculisa, wa-recorda, unemathalent amaningi kakhulu. Sengiloku ubuya futhi again uya ebholeni lemphebetho, and then njengoba ushito ukuthi is another day, but isikhathi sinaso mase sibuya kusiphi isinqumo lesibonile ukuthi asingivule Imbombela Open, and before lapho nokuthi awusucoach because ngibona ngiminyaka wango-2024 la Mpumalanga Mpumalanga Sports Awards ekugcineni uniketiwe kusube usasemhlomelo ukuba i-coach of the year because bo-coach at tennis.
Kungena kwami ezaveni coaching ngingene ngoba akukacali noma nje Imbombela Open akukacali yona, kuqale indaba ye-coaching because ngilanga ngena khona ngathatha isinqumo nganyelanga ngabuka ngathi you know what, ngizama izinto letiningi, ngiyabona ukuthi atendeki masinya ngale way mina ngifisa ngakhona, but nalo there's a lesson in life ukuthi kuba nethinto lototenda empilweni ethola succeed line kumele ube kulo, ngoba ngasikhathi we spend a lot of time singena etintweni lekungamelanga singasingena kude and delay impilo yethu, ngoba we tend to look at others, sibabone sifise lokhu labangiko nalabanako yet akusiyi line yakho. But one day I realized ukuthi there is something that I know, nginetalent, and mangibuka bonke labantu le mhlambe ngibabuka nala bengifuna ukuthi ngisonzele kubo, ngathi nangibabuka ngabona ukuthi hayi man, labantu laba there's something mina lenginayo kubona labede yona, noma ngabe bangavuka ngalenye ilanga kwendekeni, there's no way ukuthi bangayenda lento lenginayo ngoba nginetalent mina. And so ngabuka ukuthi no, let me go back, but then now focus more ku-coaching, and then that's where I began the process. I actually ngaphuma ku-comfort zone yami. Angisingilo umuntu ke lo ngavela thatha isinqumo nje lula. It so happened ukuthi ngahambe ngiye Soweto, ngaye Soweto for 2 consecutive weekends ngihamba ngiya-attend a course coaching, which is the first level. We play and stay course la siqala khona, and then ngaya, which is something lebe ngiyende like ordinarily nje. Ngakhona kukwena lokho, but again ngenxa ye-passion enginayo nge-tennis, ngenxa ye-commitment ye-tennis South Africa, yangibona yanginika i-opportunity yokuba iphathi ye-mentorship program lebebanayo at the time. I think it was about 5 years ago, and then ngaba involved, and then ngabuya ngacala banginika i-support. The next one banginika i-opportunity ukuthi ngende level 1, ngahamba ngenda level 1 bola eMbombela, and then the next one level 2 was Pitori, which was an opportunity nakhona la banginika yona ukuthi, you know what, just go there. We had other coaches from the region, kuSADC, and ngamanager ukuthi ngidlule lapho ngayiphasa, and then sengilokhu ngithola i-opportunity about 2 years ago. Another one, you know, offered to me, it would say, how about you do this? But then I had a responsibility as well to take myself there. Because, you know, I'm going to try qualification, I'm level 3, which is called coaching high performance players course. Tennis, that's the highest level you're coaching in Mhlabeni. And so, yeah, kungibeka position ukuthi I have the highest qualification. Le mhlambe kude lomunye lonayo in the province, probably very few in the country, but ke lokubalekile ukuthi how do we then use the qualification or the knowledge, because it's not about the qualification per se as far as I'm concerned, but it's about what do we do with the knowledge, with the information, so that we can empower abantwana bethu. And that's where iMbombela Open seyivela khona. Ukuthi sikhona njani ukuthi abantwana bethu lesinabo la eMbombela kumbe eMpumalanga siba create le opportunities ukuthi bangakhona ukudlala at the highest level. Because as a coach, I can't be coaching abantwana thole ukuthi bahlale kufana nemoto iduma isegarage solo ngizwe uyayistata bese uyahleka uyajabula uyazuba, but le moto ayiphumi lapha egarage. And then so what's the point? And so we needed to expose bantwana lesinabo la eMbombela ukuthi as much as singa coach at the highest level, bayayidzinga i-opportunity yokudlala ima-tournaments at the highest level, bayadzinga kuthola i-experience lehambisana ne-knowledge leli sibaniketa yona kakhulukazi kulokhu laba kunako ekudlaleni kwabo. But then not only lokho, i-view yami ukuthi we need to appreciate ama-players lasakhula, and how about we try and get ama-tournaments that will add value in terms of my rewards. Ngoba i-belief lenginayo ukuthi angeke umuntu avuke every day kusena hamba yo-trainer and nasekaya kudlala i-tournament kungabi ne-reward. That is why umubuka i-tournament iMbombela Open is the biggest prize money event in the country currently in terms of domestic tennis. So umubuka ngithatha from the point ukuthi we cannot train by equipment, service equipment. Others, they pay coaches to train and so on. Labanye, they travel, funeka accommodation, funeka, my expenses money. And so I then thought, what, we need to come up with a different vehicle whereby, we can start appreciating my players more. And that is why tournament sibuka lokuthi I guess start at the lowest level, first round, second round, or third round, whatever the case is in terms of prize money, so that it's a benefit to look. And that's the direction in the country we are taking. And and so we're happy because finally, through the efforts, since 2024, we are now part of the World Tennis Tour, which is great for not only for the province, but for the country. But again, it's a province. Because bantwana, younger players will be able to see, big names or badlala at the pro level bethu abazodlala la eMpumalanga lokutaba into lenhle kakhulu.
Yes, sesakuyo Mbombela Open njengoba sibona seminyaka wesithrilo sithi besiqala maduzane mhla ka-27 April. Kuve ubala kusile level unayo coaching i-highest level. Kufuna kusheka ukuthi ngibona ngala ngishare amasesiya international ema-Raducan ngibona wangale Great Britain uqale kahle pha lately nginqema injuries ne-consistency nje ba-coaches ngifuna kusheka le level unayo ukuthi you can able ukuthi ungamcoacha naye. Kube sihlukile emasoya ngale ngishare.
Okay, una qualification like level 3. Kahle it's about high performance, and our players now they are high performance players. So qualification inayo inigeta ithuba lokuthi ngingacoacha even at that level. Mhlambe lokuhlukanisa mina with the coaches laba coach at that level kungaba experience because they've been there, they've been doing this thing, but again that's where uthola ukuthi kuba khona ema-coaches, kuba ne-coaching team, kuba khona head coach, but kube khona ama-coaches who will be there as assistants a coach so that they can also gain experience. But again icala la kodwa indlela enkulu kasi ngesiningi ngasikhathi sendaliphuza sibuka indaba qualification, that is why ngikhuluma ekucaleni. For me, it's how far do you want to go in terms of gaining more knowledge, because ungafunda ube na qualification, but there are so many things that enela kunyalo. That is why umubuka indlela Alcaraz na Jannik Sinner badlala ngakhona badominate umdlalo. It goes towards the coaching team yabo ukuthi ba research njani or kangakanani to try and improve i-game yabo. Ngiyalo sikhuluma nge-speed, intensity match noma nje yemidlalo seyintshintshile. Kunezinto letiningi, kune-technology kumele ubuke manje ngiphi indlela yoku-enhance equipment ama-rackets lowasebenzisako to try and improve the game, and how do you work on your own physique in terms of speed, in terms of endurance, and how do you then bring in all the elements, how do you improve your serve yakho using technology, and how do you use it using your body ku-enhance indlela kumele udlale ngakhona. So there are a number of things leti khona nyalo ukuthi even if i-coach in a level 3 ITF level 3, but still usafunze more stuff so that angakhona ukuthi empower. But you see, what I'm happy about is already we've started taking badlali manje December we were in Zimbabwe. We had 2 of our players now badlala ITF tournament. It's a junior tournament. Beselapana for 2 weeks, which is great because the players are gaining experience. But now as a coach, I'm still growing in this space because I want to understand a lot of things. I need to see how other coaches work. I need to see how other players, do their thing. And so ngiko lokubalekile lokwenda ukuthi izabe qualification kungabi the only thing that kumele focus kuye, but kumele ubuke ukuthi how do you then do other things so that ungakhona gain more knowledge, more information, so that ube ngcono. Ungathola mhlawumbe kungaba khona coach lona qualification lengaphansi kule yami, but ana experience le more than nayo, and so that is why focus is on more learning ngisaqhubeka.
And then sibuka kakhulu indlela iqale ngalo iMbombela Open, indlela ikhule ngakhona. Sibona eminyaka lo ngicabanga into bayihlukile kule Mbombela Open abekhona. Umsabuka yini plan yalomnyaka for iMbombela Open, because masikhuluma nawo behind the scene ubalile ukuthi nje into bayine one tournament mara into bayine ma program lahlukile. Ngicela uchaze more especially wonke umuntu nyalo sofuna kwathi ukuthi kunekalani special sibayiqalile bayinotice iMbombela Open.
Yeah, lesikwendako manje we improving indlela sirana ngakhona iMbombela Open. Manje sine program lengedekile ku list yethu yama activities or yama events. We are now having we are branding ourselves as Mbombela Open Global Series. But kuyo we have an international event lesitocala ngayo this year mhla ka-27 to mhla ka-27 April to mhla ka-3 May kuyoba week 1, and then week 2 tuqala mhla ka-4 May until mhla ka-10. So iyophela international series noma international arm of Mbombela Open, and then we'll then be moving to 24 to mhla ka-28 June la kuyodlala khona le Mbombela Open le sanctioned tennis South Africa, because le World Tennis Tour event is sanctioned i-World Tennis, and so ngaleyo ndlela leyo i-program yethu yohamba ngaleyo ndlela. And still sibuyela kuyo i-prize money lebesinayo last year itoba 500,000, and i-program yethu yobehamba ngaleyo ndlela. But ke lesingakusho kule tournament yokucala lesobe sinayo the first 2 weeks le-sanctioned i-World Tennis Tour, we're expecting to have over 26 countries or more players from over 26 countries. Nala mhlawumbe i-tournament ingatholakala i-attend abadlali mhlawumbe labangaba just above 100 kuleyo tournament leyo. And prize money yakhona it's $15,000 per week in terms of grading a tournament lesingene kuyo. So my tournament my players lesobe sinawo atawube ayiphathi tour ya 4 weeks, 2 weeks batawucala baye ePitori, after 2 weeks then sebeta eMbombela. And so ngilokule bese kubukile ukuthi we want to make this one a great experience for the players. Hence the tournament sibita ukuthi it's the greatest tennis experience in Africa, because sifuna kubanikeza i-taste ehlukile yemidlalo we-tennis. I mean wena uyalandzela ma tournaments, ma Grand Slams, uyabona nga the way tennis is supported ngakhona. In fact, tennis it's the most watched sport, especially umubuka i-Australian Open na-US Open, ngila the biggest numbers abantu bayakhona basuka la i-South Africa, basuka e-Africa bayele bobuka lama-match.
Even ama-celebrity lamaningi.
Exactly. Kusuka ama-celebrities lamaningi, bo-Alicia Keys uyababona, bo-Seal uyababona laphana, ngisho nabo-coach be-soccer uyababona baya lapha. And so it creates opportunity ukuthi nathi as a province we can benefit in terms of tourism. And so ngilokhu sekubukile kulo mnyaka kutowendeka.
And then masabuka indlela ikhule ngakhona iMbombela Open ya-attractor futhi nebadlali abaningi bangesheya la Africa nje basobalile. Ngikhumbula nje nasi le-South Africa besemdlala Kevin Anderson sadlala kahle asezingeni lesitulu. Umsabuka kangakanani mathuba ukuthi mhlambe izaqhubeka ikhula, maybe mhlambe naye angaba iphathi something njengoba ngicabanga kuba khona kwakhe ngalesa futhi lamanye high profile fighters njengabo Roger Federer bayekilile nabo Rafael Nadal, mhlambe angakhona siba convince mhlambe bede bodobona ngala naloko ukuthi yenda ukuthi iMbombela Open ikhule futhi ne-attendance ikhule futhi nekuchaswa enendlela iqhamba ngakhona, because usothandela igama ngale ngisheya Kevin Anderson.
Well inzaba Kevin Anderson singakubona lo ngicabanga ukuthi singakubona ukukhumbula usinyalo kunemidlali Lloyd Harris uke wahlushwa ama-injuries, but ke there was a point la wakhuphuka khona kuma rankings, saba proud njengoba nanyalo solo proud ngaye, aloku azama kubuya azama ku-recover. I think 2 weeks ago win a tournament Egypt if I'm not mistaken. Nale ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe lo kumbeka ku position le right ukuthi again confidence abuya athole rhythm yakhe khona ukubuyela kuma tournaments afana nama Grand Slams or Masters 1000 kusangena angena kangcono. Ngakho ke uma mina ngibuka ngibona i-tennis yabuya yakhula eSouth Africa. Look, just sit in South Africa, the tendency cool is to have small sponsors. But then, even Nazi as tournament organizers, we need to try and do more work in terms of trying to package my events so that I be attractive, we foods at the value of my sponsors, and that's what we are doing. Together in the Tennis South Africa, and my tournament directors, lazama usahlanganise my events, and so this year. We've just learned we are going to have ATP challenger event, which is great. We'll have 4 weeks in the country. So those are also adding kulogu is, Tennis South Africa is trying to do. And so we appreciate the contribution of John Lafnitiache, our former professional tennis player in the country, who's like behind, the ATP Challenger event, but also beyond that, kukhona tournaments lamaningi Tennis South Africa and nema plans Tennis South Africa now to try and improve so that the sport is kind of cooler. And I have a feeling with this year, we will be doing different things. Let you know, and tennis is even the sponsors are and and that's as Mbombela Open. We're not going to disappoint, but we're going to do or play our part to see and let's say the necessary wave. Let you know, tennis is South Africa.
Yeah, sesingena deeper ke tennis national international before say lapho ungabuka nje uthele balaleli nibabukeli bakucucudele kusibe attend iMbombela Open nokusini lihlukile lenibaphathela yona lomnyaka.
Okay, iMbombela Open ngale way si package ngakhona, and it has been like that probably in ku scale lesiphansi. Mbombela Open this year sibukile ukuthi we would like to have a community be part yayo, and so we are inviting umphakathi ukuthi support kule initiative because sibukile ukuthi yakhula, and ukukhula kwayo into wena ukuthi uma ngabe sikhuluma ngokuthi kuthi abadlali laba buya overseas, even nakule yangoJune tournament sibukile lapho ukuthi manje angeke sibe na ngaphansi kwa200 ma players la tobe akhona, noma ngabe ukuthi player linye lita nebantu labayi3 labayi4 labayi5, and so kwenda ukuthi iprovince yethu khona ukukhula in terms of economy, it's a contribution. Ukhumbule uma sikhuluma ngetennis awukhulumi ukuthi one day event. iMbombela Open letobe ile global series letobe yendeka liyoqala ngoApril, uyahamba for 2 weeks, meaning lama players ayobe adlala for 2 weeks, adzinga accommodation for 2 weeks, adzinga kuphuma bahambe bayobuka
tinzawo
yes,
Bomakhonja Mountains.
Exactly, bobuka bona Bomakhonja Mountains, bakhona kuya panorama route, bakhona kuya nase Kruger National Park naletinye tinzawo lesinato. Ngoke kuta kwabo la kuvula ama opportunities ukuthi kube khona ibenefit for the province. Ngoke ngito thindo lesitibukile kanzi kukhona nebantu labatokhona abazuza nemathuba emsebenzi during that period. Ngoke kuba into ukuthi wonke umuntu utokhona ukuthi asitakale. Ngoke sithanda kumele umphakathi ukuthi ube khona usisekele ulanzelele futhi ne story sethu seMbombela Open, because we have what we call iMbombela Open village, which is the economic hub of the tournament. Okay, lapho sibuke ukuthi bantu from the community they will come there, they will be able to, if mhlambe banetinto bathengisako labafisa ukuthi showcase and tell their story in terms of my products abanawo, so besenda labenda ama exhibitions bado bane space lapho labafuna mhlambe nje ukuthi thengisela noma ngabe tinto tokudla kube nema pop up restaurants, ngito tinto stop sibuye sitabe tendeka. Ngawo-ke sifuna kube space se family, be like a family event whereby bantu bayifamily bangeta, lo munye mhlamba akafuna ukubukela itennis ngaleyo ndlela, but angakhona kuba na something else ngoba sitabe sine into different, faka phakathi fashion, sifaka phakathi tinzawo mhlambe abantwana labangaba khona kanzi ke tabenzawo futhi nje lenhle kakhulu le safe. Ngawo-ke siyaba invite ukuthi manje bete, and others will be coming from outside iMbombela, mhlambe from around the province, in the accommodation and so on, the tourism packages sibukele establish now, so that everyone akhona ukuthi nafikile abe ne experience lenhle eMbombela. Ngawo-ke simema umphakathi ukuthi support ube ingcenye yeMbombela Open, ngoba sicofa umlando phela njengeMbombela Open. Le World Tennis Tour event ita eMpumalanga for the first time akaze sekwende
because iMbombela Open.
Exactly, manje sifisa ukuthi celebrate lokho, sikhombise nemhlaba ukuthi iMbombela ngakhona ukuhost ama events lamakhulu awo umdlalo wetennis.
Yeah, sesigodwa iMbombela Open nje basobalile ba invite ingabe ibanjela kuphi inzawo ivenue.
Okay, sikhuluma ngeprogram yokuqala Mbombela Open Global Series yoba eFanrick lapha eNel Spray Tennis Club just next to my swimming pool akhona la eMbombela iyobe ilapho. Kodwa uma sisiya for 2 weeks uma sisiya kule event yeMbombela Open leto beyendeka ngoJune leyo tabefaka ngisho nema juniors leyo tabeyendeka khona eNelspruit Tennis Club plus itabe ikhona na kuma venues ufaka phakathi eNelspruit Primary, Nelspruit Waterfall, Matume Golf Estate, Kuro naletinye indzawo lesingatithola ukuze sikhona ukuthi sifake ama matches khona. Otherwise indvo leto beyitsenza eMbombela ngoba siyamema umphakathi ukuthi ube incane usekele kanti futhi bangasilandzela nakuma social media platforms ethu yonke indzawo siyiMbombela Open.
And then sibonile 2024 the first year yeMbombela Open kuma awards alabomалanga wenda mlando by coach of the shukuthini lokho especially wenda something unique ucoacha tennis because bavame ukufocus on ama sporting code.
Bekuqala ngempilweni yami kuwina award nje kwaba surprise kwaba into lengijabulisa kakhulu kanti ke ngakimi kwaba nje stamp of approval ukuthi what lokwenda kwenda into le right ngajabulela because ngithola nje ngoba kune contribution lengiyenda futhi as a national coach kuma juniors ngawo-ke ngicabanga ukuthi lokho le recognition ebalekile ngiyenza uma kubane bandla labenda izinto letinhle kubalekile ukuthi siba recognize sibakhuthaze so that bakhona ukwenda even more. Ngakho lokho ngikuthatha njengento lengikhuthazako ukuthi you need to work even harder. One day ngingafisa ukuthi nganyelanga sithi masibuka emuva sibuke sinema players lamaningi la ke adlala at an international level. Uma kungathiwa nje sinel player lidlala like futures event like the one sobe sidlala, uma kungathiwa sinel player lidlala ku ATP Challenger event or player lihamba lodlala overseas, nginto ethini lesitubukile leto ukuthi sifisa ukuthi sikubone tende.
And then bese sibuka iTennis National sibonile event iphelile itolo mhla ka8 January benge Davis Cup South Africa beyidlala. So far umsabu walizana kangakanani especially umsabu wa iTennis la South Africa soba sibona sinabo Lloyd Harris udlala ngesheya iphanje inyalo badlala bakhona bangakanani babonako labanilisa sasa ukuthi mhlambe bangakhulu abakhuphuke ngendlela iNational Tennis yethu ngayo after sibona iDavis Open iDavis Cup.
Kuyajabulisa kakhulu eSouth Africa kukhona something leyendekako mhlawumbe indlela engasileme phambi kwethu nempumelelo kuba issue yama resources. That is why noma ukhuluma na tennis na president we Tennis South Africa utokutshela ukuthi ireason yethu eSouth Africa ukuthi sinekulesa ama international events kungoba sifuna kuniketa abadlali bethu locally opportunities badlale international events whereby they're not going to spend as much as they can spend uma baya overseas because basinga over 3 million rands to travel umnyaka wonke baye overseas bayodlala ama tournaments whereas nathi besingaba nawo. Okay, badlali abaningi lesibabona kubadumile labatuwako kungoba banema sponsors bane support system labanayo lokubena ukuthi bakhona kunokudlala ama tournaments lamaningi baphakame kuma rankings. eSouth Africa sinayo opportunity njengaleyo kunabadlali abaningi sikhuluma ngeDavis Cup nyalo kuna Alec Berkley lo champion iMbombela Open 2024-2025 simbonile adlala struggle ishile imatch yakhe yokuqala ngeSaturday but ukhonile ukuthi abuye wa recover itolo nakadlala idecider na South Africa iphumelela against Montenegro. So lo kusene ukuthi sibe proud kuleyo tournament noma nje kule Davis Cup kule team leyo bekhona Thando Longwe Smith wase Cape Town bekunaSimphiwe Ngwenya ngilomunye lokhula kuma juniors. Ngakho ngicabanga ukuthi lokho kusena ukuthi sibuke ifuture inhle emidlalweni wetennis. Angeke ngihlale ngingakhulumi ngebadlali mhlambe laba yi3 kuna Yanni van Zyl kube na John Bothma kube na Conor Doig uwine ma doubles ema juniors ku Australia recently. Lokho kusenda sibe nesiqiniseko sokuthi umdlalo wetennis usetandleni leti kahle uma ngabe ubuka ama-juniors ethu and ama-waves babonakala bafuna kuya kule space baningi labakhona. Ngakho-ke ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe likusasa lihle kakhulu eLimpopo kunemfana lomncane neminyaka longu-12 nguWendy Modiba udlala i-tennis ngendlela lesimanga. Ngakho-ke ukhompyutha ngisho nebantwana labadlala under 16 akhona kuwina ama-tournaments amakhulu in the country. Recently bekaye eFrance, ngakho kuhle kakhulu lokho. La eMpumalanga sina Murungwa Nemavidi uyiphathi ye-tennis base laphana kithi ezisikhuluma useSpain une-program lanayo lena this week badlala ama-tournaments. Into tindwe lethu lesitibukile kusithi iphathi ye-future yethu. Ngakho ngicabanga kuningi lokwento wako, kuningi lesitokubona, kuningi mathuba lasetha. Ngiyonzaba we need to continue supporting umdlalo we-tennis and also you know encouraging ma-sponsors ukuthi awangene kule space because there's so much value emdlalweni we-tennis in terms of ma-rewards and i-benefit yabo. Ngakho-ke ngiyolozaba ama-sponsors siwacela ukuthi nakisi kuMbombela Open sibukile ukuthi siyobanikeza i-value yalokhu labantu bakufakile so that nabo bakhona ukubenefita out of le platform lesi-creator.
Yathi yajabulisa kakhulu masibuka i-Davis Cup National Tournaments bone badlali labe bayiphatha futhi yeMbombela Open nje ubalile ukuthi 2024 na 2025 solo wina yena bayiphatha i-Davis Cup and then ngiyangeshare ku-international sibonile ngeminyaka sibana former Grand Slam Australian Open sibene US Open within besikuba ne-French Open already sesibonile Australian Open Yannick Sinner ukhumbuthi ibeka i-defending champion ukhisha Novak Djokovic lo mnyaka and then futhi final wow Novak Djokovic na Alcaraz kusho kuthini umshabuka endlela akhula ngayo Alcaraz kanzi futhi na umdlali Yannick Sinner uchamuke kahle kakhulu last year consistency and then igcineni uyahluleka usabile ku-position 1 uyahluleka nokuyi-defender. Sibona futhi na Novak Djokovic solo ukhishimisa ukuthi abe ne-Grand Slam 25 solo uyahluleka umsabuka international indlela bonaka ngakhona solo sabona Yannick Sinner mina Alcaraz baqhubeka baphasa le-torch lilashiya ngo Rafael Nadal na Roger Federer kanzi Djokovic solo akafuna ukuretire. Umsabuka so far kunekalani indlela bonaka ngakhona especially Yannick Sinner na Alcaraz kanye futhi na Djokovic ku-international tennis.
Kona ngicabanga ukuthi le era lesikuyo i-era yalabadlali ababili babalako Yannick Sinner na Alcaraz mhlawumbe kusatoba njalo minyaka le-3-4 bakhona Alexander Zverev last year ube very close ukuthi angakhona usaphumelele but akukhona kalanga akusuyena kuphela bakhona labanye lesibabonile yes baningi abasonzele kakhulu but bangakhona ukusustain until that level. Kodwa kwanyalo ngicabanga ukuthi kubeka bona bobabili njengabadlali abadominate umdlalo izaba ya Djokovic ayisakhulumeki nyalo he came very close
ikubisile shaya Nixon
for me and his like we always say he's the greatest of all time. Ngiyavuma lokho and ngibona ukuthi nguye vele umdlali lesingambala nje umdlali lokhonile usachieve lokuningi recently win a gold medal kuma Olympics
nashayina Alcaraz
exactly akakhoni ukuthi athole Grand Slam yes25 so that acophe emlandvo ngalendlela lafisa ucofa ngakhona but for me ukwende konke lokungadzinga emidlalweni wetennis ngakho angimboni kahle abuya eAustralia kulomnyaka lotako. Depende usukwendekani between Jared nekuphela kweminyaka ngoba kusena ama-Grand Slams lamanye laketha but angimbona ayiphumelela i-French Open mhlawumbe angazama eWimbledon the last one kungaba se-US otherwise ngicabanga ukuthi sobona abadominate kuboma-ke umdlalo we-tennis up and down so noma ngibana ngayithatha njengoba sikubonile Rybakina ayiwina lo mnyaka.
Usabala kuma-ke siyabona Coco Gauff ukucale kahle especially une-age le imvumelako umnyaka wakhe muhle kakhulu but ikhombisa ngabe i-consistency uwinile last year and then sabuka futhi bodlali Rybakina sibangele indlela ashaya Sabalenka nanyalo sibona na Igor Swiatek so kuyakhombisa ukuthi aboma-ke i-competition ikhulu kepha nje sibona umdlali Raducanu wehlile kakhulu after aqale kahle sisemncane teenager sabona futhi sokuchubeka labadzala kuye umsabuka kuya lo mnyaka lo angakanani mathuba usisimbone lapha nje Coco Gauff abuya akudominate especially ngazo usuya lapha le line yabo Serena Williams nalibala lakhe futhi nokuswase eMelika.
Kokugava angicabanga ukuthi singamrule out at the moment. Kuningi lesathi uku-achieve sasemncane usakhula. Ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe uthi ngasikhathi kuba khona kuba kungabi consistent. Recently bekalungisa i-serve yakhe kanti futhi nezabe yokuntshintsha ama-coaches ngilokunye lokhu ngathi mhlawumbe kuvela kakhulu kubo labo dlali especially kubomake. Ngakho ngicabanga singito tinto lekungafuna ukuthi bahambe batibuke but kona umdlalo wabo up and down. River Kina besingakambuki but was surprised wavela wabuye futhi wanqoba. Yebo Sabalenka ongumdlali lo dlalako usizini lesetulu but kule tournament bangangivele ngishilo indlela laqale ngayo i-tournament ku-first round nangendlela la dlala ngakhona na Victoria Mpofu wase Canada. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngito tinto letende kwabonakala ukuthi mathuba amaningi ukuthi angeke aphumelele ngoba bekabonakala kumdlalo lo shake lo ngasi solid ngathi uyijwayele ngakhona. Kodwa ke ngicabanga ukuthi saloko sicoca enzabe tennis ngoba ngeke
ngiphela njengoba soshito isikhathi sethu sesihamba la sesayigocota before sigocota ke sisele ama Grand Slam lamathathu sibonile ke Australian Open uyithethe lapha nje Rabakina lapha bomaka wayithatha futhi lapha nje Alcaraz bobaba selele lapha nje France nyalo French Open idlala Roland Garros bese selapha nje England All White uwindini bese sigcina lapha eMelika US Open masisabuka la bomake sabona vele mathuba amaningi akhe Rabakina usangabuya futhi atiprove kepha nje bobabe sabona Yannick bana Alcaraz masusu ebuka before sesivala nje ngicabanga simaminista kancane ubona sicisa kanjani lo mnyaka lo lama Grand Slam lamathathu set.
Ngicabanga ukuthi last year Yannick na Alcaraz bashire lama Grand Slams oyi2. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngizobona bona abadominate batoshare lawo la i2 lasele. Angimboni lo mnye umdlali la ngavela. Yebo bakhona labanye Alexander Zverev esikhulumile ngaye bo Felix Oga lesimo seCanada ababonakala ba consistent ngaleyo ndlela. Kanti ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe ngilokhu lesitokubona kwendeka kubo babe kodwa kubomake anyone can take it.
Kuyo i-tennis kunengele sikubonile lesikufunzile bisinaye ke lo dlala i-tennis lo wathatha ithuba ukuthi emacesa dlala i-tennis abeli mathebula wena lokuningi asange sabala lokunye la kubala la kwendawo phinza futhi apha emhlati welibholela imphebetho eRadweni tinzodinyende enguye kuphela futhi usapha emhlati sabonga ukuthi namuhla asivakashele sibuke kabandi imbobela Open sibone career yakhe sibuke futhi ina-National Davis Cup sibonile sabona international sabuka nima program tabakhona especially from 27 April etulu kuningi lesikulenzele lapha nje kuyo iMobile Open. Ngesikhathi sethu asibonge namuhla ukuthi bekazivakashele sibuke iMobile Open Dominic Sabele Mathebula sibonga kakhulu ukuthi namuhla sicela ube khona ku Ace the Show, Ace the Coach Show.
Bonga khulisa.
Asibonga ke sisase sibikela kuyo Ace the Coach Show besibuka lapha nje ibhola lemphebedo.